Hey everyone, I'm Shilpa from Startbit IT Solutions, and today we are going to dive into Shopify apps. We are going to discuss what Shopify apps are, why we are going to use Shopify apps, and how they will work. I'm super excited to be joined by our expert, one of our team expert, Mr. Ujjwal Gupta, and he's a Shopify professional and our app strategist.
Glad to be back again, and I'm very happy to start on the Shopify apps as I'm myself is just certified Shopify app developer. So yes, I'm pretty happy to share the knowledge on Shopify apps.
So first of all, let's start simple. Someone opening the Shopify store. Just they open the Shopify store. First, tell me what Shopify apps are and how that Shopify apps are get utilized in their Shopify store easily.
Okay, so if we talk about Shopify store, basically it gives us core features like product pages, collection pages, product add to cart, checkout pages, and shipping. So here, role of the Shopify apps are it gives us advanced features. If we want to add some advanced features like some sort of CMS integration, some sort of analytics, or any other details that we require rather than the core features that provided by Shopify. So here we need Shopify apps. So that's why we are looking for Shopify apps, and we basically use them inside our store.
Apps are like plug and play for the Shopify store.
Exactly. Without them, you are limited. You are limited is basically you have limited scope. You have very limited, you know, limitations to work with the store. With Shopify apps, you have the options to go dynamically scalable solutions where you can, implement and apply in your store. It's like I'm a store owner and I want to, add on some items to use for the cross sale upsell purpose. So for cross sale and upsell purpose, I am using a Shopify application. For to use a Shopify application, it will give you the options to allow on the product page to sell your products as a cross sell product or a upsell product. Suppose I have a store with sports accessories, sports items. So if I sell a cricket bat, so I want to cross sell cricket balls as well. So I can go with that and use a Shopify app that provides this sort of feature, and it will be helpful for my store and for my purchases.
So now let's talk about the types. There are three types of the Shopify apps I heard so far. One is public, one is custom, and one is private. Tell us what are the difference between all these types and how the user will recognize which type of app is suitable for them.
Okay, so there are three types of applications: public applications, custom applications, and private applications. Public applications are publicly available over the Shopify App Store. So here, with any merchant that has Shopify App Store can go to the Shopify App Store and purchase or install that particular application and use inside the store. If we talk about custom application, private applications, there was custom application logic. So with custom application, we can fulfill both the requirement of public and custom applications. Custom applications are used if we need a specific feature inside my store. Suppose I am looking for a custom solution or custom feature only into my store, and that particular feature is not available on Shopify app store. So if you are looking for a custom solution, you either need to go with the private or custom app, as both are the same.
Okay, so public is like plug and play basically, and the custom is made to measure, right? So yes, got it. Okay, so what make a particular store owner, which particular app they will choose over the other? So like if you are going to choose the public or the custom or the private, so tell me the pros and cons of each one.
Okay, so if your needs are common, like you just need to add some sort of upsell visit, some sort of announcement bar, or any custom, any common solution, then you need to go with the public application. But if you are looking for some specific solutions like some ERP model, some analytics, or some specific advanced feature, then you need to go with the custom application.
Okay, so as per your inputs, it's very much easy to basically control the data with our customs, right?
Yes, With the custom application, you have your own code, you have control over everything. So you can, you can control on in everything with the custom applications.
Okay, so now let's get into the monetary part, the money part. So how it will affect the store earners, which type of apps would be useful to them as per the monetary purpose?
Okay, so if we talk about the payments with the Shopify applications, so there are four different types of payments methods available for every application. So it's, application owner's choice to use a specific payment. Like suppose if a application has one time recurring charge, which means you just pay for the first time and then you can start using the application. You never need to go with any payments. Second option is recurring charge, monthly recurring charge, where you have to pay every month. Like suppose I have purchased a plan where it cost me $9.99 per month, so in every month it will cost me $9.99 per month. Third one is users based charge. Users based charge means you have to pay how much you use, about the volume. Suppose I am using a upsell application and I have a limitation that if I use 10 upsells in a month, then I have to pay this much of amount. If I use 20 upsells a month, I need to pay this much of amount. So basically you need to pay as much you use. The last one is like plan based plan, where there are different plans shared by the app owners. There are three different plans. Suppose there is basic plan, there is the advanced plan, and there is some plus plan. So you need to choose as per your requirement which plan suits you best, and you can pick that plan.
Okay, so great. All this is handled by the Shopify system. So all the systems, all the monetary purposes handled by the Shopify system. So the user is not going to worry for all these things.
Yes, all these plans are managed by the Shopify itself. So, it's very secure, reliable, and very transparent. You don't need to add any payment method or anything else. It will directly get directed from your Shopify account, where you added your credit card or debit card to, start with the Shopify store. So you didn't need to go with any separate payment for any application. So it will directly get deducted from that particular plan that you have choose, and directly from your Shopify store.
So now tell me what the Shopify store would be like. Like it would be the Apple store or the e-commerce store. What it would be like.
Yes, exactly. It's like App Store. It's like Google Play App Store. You can say Apple Pay App Store. So it's a Shopify App Store. Here you can see all the categories or the ratings, listings, and the descriptions. You can go through every details and you can pick the best suitable app for your store. And everything is reliable here. Everything is, most secure way, as everything is approved by Shopify. So yes, you can pick as per your requirement and as per your reliable with your store.
And from the developer side, why it is important to submit the app to the Shopify store? Why the developer needs to submit the app first to the Shopify store and then it is considered to be launched?
Okay, so if we talk about submitting the application to the Shopify App Store by the developer, there are some guidelines, there are some rules that are provided by the Shopify, that if you are submitting an application to the Shopify App Store, you have to follow all those rules. Why these rules are required? Because there are lots of merchants that are going to use that particular application inside their store. So it's a responsibility of Shopify that they are approving your application, and they are, promising that this is a reliable, secure for them, for their data, for their payments, and for everything. So that's why it's very important to, follow all the guidelines provided by the Shopify admins, and you have to basically submit the application, and once it gets approved, it will listed to the Shopify App Store.
Okay, so it's a big opportunity, but yes, before launching it to the Shopify store, we have to follow all the rules and regulations as per the Shopify norm.
Yes, exactly. So once your apps get started, it will, grow like crazy. Like you will get lots of merchants, lots of traffic, and you will get lots of revenue with that. So basically, Shopify app is a, very good point and a very big thing in Shopify markets.
So, all right, thank you for all the insights, and these insights are very much valuable to all our users for sure. And thanks for breaking it again so clear. Thank you.
My pleasure. It's always happy to talk about Shopify. Thank you.
So if you're a store owner, a developer, or want more Shopify content, please subscribe to our channel, watch more our videos. And if you find any difficulty in the installation of the Shopify store or any development related difficulty, you can contact us. We are Startbit IT Solutions Private Limited, and we are partners for the Shopify development. Thank you.